Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my channel, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nevaeh's world. Today, guys, as you guys can see, we got a lot to do today. So I'm gonna start by cleaning up. Okay, guys, I'm done cleaning. Now we're gonna head to Five Below. Guys, we got Five Below. So, guys, we're gonna pick three things that I want. So do we need a cart?
No.
Alright, guys, so I picked two puppets. Hold on. As you guys can see, I picked two puppets. I picked three puppets because I wanted to pick three puppets. Now I'm trying to find the puppets cute. Oh yeah, I'm trying to find. I don't know. Where is it?
What are you looking for?
Maybe for something. The squishy? What's this, Mommy? I don't know.
That's the lady with the, oh, I'm sorry, it's a little Nike.
Guys, my set is different puppets I got. Oh, this one has glitter. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. And this one just came out. This is the only one.
Yeah, they got Fidget.
Is it? Where? Dang. Dang. I'm looking at this.
Which one are you getting?
This one. Wait, I'm trying to find it. Okay, guys. So, I do this one. Third one. Mommy, I'm trying to look for the fidget. Okay, guys. So, I picked my two things. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Mommy, stop the cart real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I got first. I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Oops. And I got this. Okay, let's go, guys. So we're going to I might want something from little Kenzie from in the front. Alright, guys, so now we're leaving Five Below, and we're gonna open all our stuff in a car.
We're going to see y'all when we get in the car.
Yeah! Peace out! Alright, guys, so I'm gonna open my toys. Y'all ready? First, I'm gonna open this one. Just got in the car though. Yo! What is this? It's so tiny. So this is like a what's it called, Mommy?
A rocket.
A rocket, but it has stars in it, and it's black.
Let us see. Put it close.
Oh, okay. Rocket. Okay, next. Is this? I don't know what this is. It's a fishy! So this is a fish. That's one of the new ones too. Now we're going to go with the next one. We have a fidget spinner. Open it. One and after this we're going to Nana house, right guys? After we open our stuff, we're going to Nana house. It can come out by itself though. I don't know how they be opening it like this. Just crack that. You got it. It's kind of hard to take it out. Okay, so we got a fidget spinner. Look guys, we got a fidget spinner. Wait, this is how you do it. And this is a lips fidget spinner. Next, we got, I don't know what this is, but you guys are gonna see what is in here. I swear. What? You guys, what is this? But it's so fun. Oh, yo. This go with the puppets sometimes. Oh, yo. This is so cool. And you can make something out of it. Like you can pick this right here. Wait. Oh, this is a new one. It's new. Look. Maybe we could do it like a cake. Oh my god, guys, look at all my stuff. I'm so excited. Look how many puppets I got. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7. I got 7 stuff. So thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you give us a big thumbs up and hope you like it. Peace out.